Meaning of Geelong.
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 Geelong. Geelong is a city located in Victoria, Australia. The name Geelong is derived from the local Wathaurong Aboriginal name for the region, Geelong, which means tongue of land or peninsula. Geelong is known for its beautiful waterfront, rich culture, and vibrant community. It has a population of approximately 280,000 people and is the second largest city in Victoria. Geelong is also home to several important historical landmarks and natural attractions, making it a popular destination for tourists. Overall, Geelong is a unique and diverse city with a rich history and exciting future.